Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And these training, you will be looking into Sarai robot and the bot settings. And like I said in my last video, that we have two types of settings for the so-called investors. But I keep telling you, there is nothing like investor in crypto trading. What we have in crypto trading will be inactive traders. That means those who allow the robots to do the system for them. But it's not, you are not an investor. So okay, but okay, that's the term people have been using. So that is why I keep mentioning it, so that you know that I'm referring to the investor, the so-called investor settings. Now we've done one, and this is the second one we'll be trying to do, and I'll be showing you this. So okay, this is all we need to set as an inactive trader. This is all you need, and all you just need to do is to put this on, put the trade on, put it on shorts. Then depending on the robots you're buying, if you're buying $100, this will be 3. If you're buying $500, it will be 5. $1,000 is 7. I think probably $5,000. I don't know how many trades are offering. I don't know that, but I know $1,000 is 7 trades at a time. So it will automatically show up the with the highest trade you can make for that robot. So just leave it as default. You want to put this 20. I think it's either 10 as default or 20 as default, but put it at 20. Then place order is where you want to check, and we'll come to this later. Let's put on this Sharia. In the previous settings we didn't put this on, so but in this setting we'll be putting it on. What it simply means is it will only be trading stable coins that will not give you heart attack when it comes to floating loss. You'll not be seeing huge percentage in floating loss. So, and probably that simply means you're not expecting huge loss if there is a loss. Okay, you'll not be expecting huge loss. So that's that. Then here is where we come to. You want to put this, the first one, you want to put it at 20. Okay, because you are having a Sharia settings. Sharia settings, you're not expecting coins to go outrageously up. So you're not expecting them to go outrageously up. So we set this as 20, and we put this as 30, then 40. Okay, so we can jump a little bit by putting this to 60, then put this to 70, or you might just leave it at 50, 60. So because this is Sharia coins, stable coins like BTC, Ethereum, what else again, Solana, Avalanche, and so on, so Atom, and so on. So these coins are not expected to jump very high, and we are not expecting them to go very low. So our take profit, these are take profits. First of all, when this is 20%, the system will lock it and see if the trend is still going on. If it keeps going on, it will lock it at 30. If it keeps going on, it will lock it at 40 till it gets to 70. But if not, if there is a reverse, it will sell at the last lock. Okay, at the last lock. So that's that. Then you want to look into your place order also. I think we already know the formula for this. Let's try again. Okay, let's try this again. Assuming you're trading $100, then $100 times the leverage, $100 times this is the leverage. Okay, the trading capital times leverage. Okay, and what else again? This equals to, then you want to have how many percent? 3%. 3% of this, so that's 60. Then we are trading 3 coins, so $400 subscription, 3 coins, so we divide by 3. So That's that. So assuming you have $1,000 that is trading and you have a $500 robot, let's do that. $1,000 trading cap, trading capital times 20x, which is the leverage. Then you want to look for 3% of these times 3%. Yeah. Then, because it is $500 subscription, that simply means you can trade 5 coins. So we divide this by 5. So we'll be having $120 in 5 places. So which one do we say? We are not trading. Oh, I'm coming somewhere. So I think the first one is 20 per trade. Let's do it again. 100 times 20 leverage, then you multiply by 3%, 60 divided by 3, 20. So this will be 3, okay. This will be 20. So I think we are good to go. You click save and we are good to go. So this setting is cool for those of us who are using Sharia. And note, if you want to replenish this trade, for example, let's say, for example, you can see this trade is going on for 10 days now. I didn't replenish it. I've been very busy watching and doing tutorials and doing specimen. And this has been for 13 days. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is I decided not to buy more. I just keep watching and doing some experiments. For example, this was 1,000 plus. So I replenished it to 400 plus. So I didn't touch this. But what I want to say is this went to 1,000 plus in terms of the PNL went to 1,000 plus. But this had never gone to 200. Why? Because it's a stable coin. This is TRX. So it's a stable coin. I didn't choose Sharia. It trades this for me. But, when you choose Sharia, it will only trade coins like this for me. So what am I saying here is this. I'm only saying that this is for 10 days. That doesn't mean it cannot go for 10 days if you don't replenish. And this is for 13 days. These are the went to 1,200. Before it gets to 1,080, before I did the replenishment and so on. These had never gone to 200 in that 10 days. That is because it is stable. You understand? So what am I saying in essence is, if you want to replenish, that means you want to do your DCA, you can just do 100%, click 100%, click confirm. But make sure that you will do it when it is between 250 and 500 so that you don't have to do again. So do that when it is between 250 and 500. But the issue is it might take a very long time for a stable coin to get to 250, 500. You understand? And please make sure you don't do 2 at a time. Talk less of 3 at a time. That means you don't do the DC for 2 coins at a time or 3 coins at a time. Just do once. And this is inactive trader. So you are not expected to be coming here every now and then. Anytime you just check and you feel like, oh, this coin is in deep for probably 5 days. What's happening? What's the percentage right now? Or the percentage as somebody that is trading with Sharia, trading Sharia. So that means trading stable coins, because that is what the Sharia means, stable coins. So trading stable coins, then you look at it like, okay, 200 plus 250, do I do? Let me just do and let it be. You understand? So when that sells, you can try another one if you have more than one that is in that deep. Thank you very much. God bless you. Our next topic will be going into active traders. What is expected of active traders? Those who check their trades every day and, have the time to at least check every day to see 1 or 2 things he or she can do. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next video.